Square is one of the most trusted payment gateways out there, and now it works seamlessly with FluentCart. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to connect Square to your store, set up webhooks, and handle subscriptions and refunds automatically. Let's get started. First, from your WordPress dashboard, go to FluentCart, then click Settings. Now open the Payment Settings tab. Here you'll see all the available payment gateways for your online store. You can easily spot the Square payment gateway. Just click the Manage button next to it. Since Square is a premium add-on, FluentCart will take you to the FluentCart's add-ons page. From there, download the add-on, then install and activate it to enable it for your store. Once it's activated, that opens the Square configuration page. First, activate the payment option. You'll notice two tabs: Test Credentials and Live Credentials. I always recommend starting with Test Credentials first because this lets you check the full payment flow without charging real money. Under Test Credentials, FluentCart asks for four things: Test Application ID, Test Access Token, Test Location ID, and Test Webhook Signature Key. You'll also see a webhook URL at the bottom. We'll need that in a few minutes. Now let's collect these details from your Square account. Open a new tab and log into your Square Developer Dashboard. To connect your store, you need to create a new application in the Square Developer Dashboard. On this page, click the plus card. Give your application a clear name. For example, I'll name this FluentCart. Then click Next and complete the remaining prompts based on your setup. Once the application is created, open it from the Square Developer Dashboard. At the top, make sure Sandbox mode is selected. This is important because we're setting up test credentials first, not live payments. From the left sidebar, click Credentials. Here you'll find the Sandbox Application ID and Sandbox Access Token. Copy the application ID and paste it into the Test ID field in FluentCart. Then copy the Sandbox token and paste it into the Test Token field. Next, we need the location. Square uses locations to represent the source of your orders. Head over to the locations from the left sidebar. Find your default test account location, usually shown as default test account or main. Copy the value under the location ID column. Now return to FluentCart and paste it into the test location ID field. So at this point, we have 3 credentials added. Now let's set up the webhook. Webhooks are important because they send real-time payment updates from Square back to FluentCart. Now let's copy the webhook URL from here. We'll need it shortly. Then head back to the Square Developer Dashboard. From the left sidebar, expand webhooks and then subscriptions. Let's add a subscription. For the subscription name, use something easy to recognize like FluentCart Webhook. In the notification URL field, paste the webhook URL you copied from FluentCart. For API version, leave it set to the default latest version. Now under Events, we need to select 5 specific events. Let's select these events one by one. These events help FluentCart keep payment, refund, subscription, and invoice statuses synced with Square. Once all 5 events are selected, click Save. After that, your webhook will appear in the list. Now we need one final value from this webhook, the signature key. Click on your FluentCart webhook entry to open its details panel. From there, copy the signature key. Then go back to FluentCart and paste it into the Test Webhook Signature Key field. Great! Now all 4 test credential fields are complete. And that's it. Your Square integration is now connected in test mode. Let's verify if it's ready to collect payments or not. The moment a customer tries to purchase a product, Square appears as a payment option. They simply select Square and click the Pay button. After that, they just fill in some basic information and complete the payment. Once done, the receipt on the screen confirms that the payment is successful. Once everything works as expected, you can switch to live payments anytime. And that's it. From activation to test payment, that's everything you need to start accepting real transactions with Square and FluentCart. If you found this helpful, subscribe to the channel for more tutorials, WordPress guides, and product updates. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.